ain't two-stepping, you ain't race prepping.
That was a good line.
Hey, what is up, guys, and welcome back to the SalvageBoiz YouTube channel. So in today's video, what we have for you guys is us going to Texas for the Cleetus and cars, the drag racing and the burnout competition. We would like to take you guys along, and if you guys are new here, hit the subscribe button and hit that like button. It helps us out a lot. So we're about to fly out in a few hours here, but what the cool thing is that we heard that there's some cool YouTubers that are coming also on this trip, like Wested Chaplin, Matt from Demolition Ranch, and then Boosted Boys,
Motion Auto TV.
And
then the biggest people out of them all is, you guessed it,
SalvageBoiz.
Baby.
It should be a fun trip, and so if you guys would like to just watch this video, just come along in this trip with us. Should be a pretty fun trip, and so let's get right into the video. Alright, Serge, so
we got our Corvette C8 right here. Look at this thing. Has 2-wheel drive, 4-wheel drive, race wheel drive. We can even tow something with this Corvette. This thing is sick, you know. So
where are we taking it? Where are we taking it, Serge?
We're gonna go. There's like some guys throwing some events. I don't know. Some call him a giraffe, but I think he goes by Cleetus or something. But you know, Cleetus McFarland. We're gonna go check out one of his events. So maybe go enter this C8 Corvette into the, I don't know if they have the demolition drags, but that would be awesome, you know. I think it has this should do a burnout, yeah? This little thing. You know? Why not? Let's do it. What do you think, Eddie? You think it's gonna be a good one? I mean, it looks like it might rain a little bit, but I think it should be fine now.
There's like a whole bunch of clouds and stuff, but made it to the Cleetus and
all the way
cars.
from Washington State to Texas. Long trip, yeah?
Oh yeah.
think, Eddie? Is that what you're gonna do next to the? Well, they don't know yet because we haven't announced it yet.
maybe the next video.
Maybe.
I got out there and some person that's not
Imagine
very
him. A white one?
That's a crazy setup.
What's up, Eddie? What do you think so far? Pretty nice cars, yeah?
Oh, yeah, dude. Love it.
With people just working on their cars, getting ready for
Crazy
the
burnout contest.
for the burnouts, yeah?
No drag racing.
And this
today.
just begin. Oh, maybe later on there'll be drag racing.
Raining pretty good right now.
We'll dry it out. It's not a big deal. But everybody's just putting in work over here. So far, so good, yeah? This is a site we've been recording here. A YouTuber recording a YouTube video while we're recording that YouTuber. So that's Trevor from Motion Auto right there. Look at that turbo. As soon as people seen that turbo, they're like, they gotta go look at this thing. Hey George, can we get a quote of the day?
Hey, my quote of the day was, if you ain't two-stepping, you ain't race prepping.
That was a good line.
Is that right?
That was a good line.
You know what it was?
And then everyone start their engines, but you shouldn't have started your engine and waited.
I said that like 10 minutes too soon. Yeah.
Nice.
Crazy, yeah?
Yeah, the Mustang took the win. I got the MR2.
Alright, we got the Motion Auto TV 25 $100
Turbo one, huh?
I didn't even hear him take off.
What do you think, Eddie? Just chilling here, yeah? With the boys. Everybody's getting ready for the burnout contest. We're just chilling here. Hey, pretty solid trip so far, huh?
And they have the